nowadays in our regional localities, Hindi is not that much dominating as English. So why? How to improve our national language?
First of all, I must say that in many government schools and colleges, they teach in Telugu mostly. And now the change is being implemented now कि सारे स्कूल एंड कॉलेजेस में अभी CBSE रखना और ICSE रखना ज़रूरी है. और मेरे हिसाब से अगर कहीं से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए तो छोटे छोटे बच्चों से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. दैट इज़ द स्कूल. अगर स्कूल में आप हिंदी पढ़ना सिखाओगे तो एक दूसरे में जब हिंदी बात करने जाएंगे देन इट्स ओके. एंड हिंदी इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लैंग्वेज इन इंडिया बिकॉज हिंदी वॉज फर्स्ट टेकन फ्रॉम खड़ी बोली. खड़ी बोली वॉज द मोस्ट एंशियंट लैंग्वेज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द हड़प्पन डायनेस्टी. सो उससे हिंदी इवॉल्व होता है और इससे संस्कृत से खड़ी बोली से हिंदी, जिससे सब लैंग्वेजेस इवॉल्व होकर आते हैं. तो इसीलिए मैं सोचता हूँ कि हिंदी हमारा नेशनल लैंग्वेज है क्योंकि हमारा क्या कहते हैं मातृभाषा. आप चाहे तो आप जम्मू कश्मीर से लेके पौंडीचेरी तक, गुजरात से लेके असम तक आप कहीं पे भी जाएँ तो आइदर आपको इंग्लिश या हिंदी चाहिए. एंड इंग्लिश ऑफकोर्स की ज़्यादा लोग बात करने की कोशिश करते हैं लेकिन हिंदी किसी को नहीं आता. भले ही मैं बस एक ही बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप हिंदी कहने की कोशिश करें. भले ही आप स्त्रीलिंग बन के पुल्लिंग की हिंदी कहें या पुल्लिंग बन के स्त्रीलिंग की हिंदी है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. भले ही आपकी हिंदी में आप थोड़ी तेलुगु यूज़ करें या थोड़ी हिंदी है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. अगर आप कहीं पे फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंसिडर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ए ट्रेन कलेक्टर. इधर उधर ट्रेन में उसे ऑल इंडिया ट्रैवल करना जाता है लेकिन अगर उसे हिंदी नहीं आती देन इट वुड बी वेरी प्रॉब्लमेटिक फॉर द पैसेंजर्स सो दैट टू एडजस्ट विद देम ऐसा करके. सो दैट इज़ माई मेन रीज़न कि हिंदी क्यों सीखना चाहिए एंड वाई इज़ हिंदी इंपॉर्टेंट. और अगर हम बात करें इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस की तो सब लोग कहते हैं
in engineering college they are not preferring that much than English. Why?
Yeah. Because mostly people love to speak in English because they think that it's a style, it's a swag or it's posh thing. But nobody tries to speak in Hindi.
Our national language.
Yeah, in our national language Hindi. So that's why I think that it should be implemented. Start हम दोस्तों के साथ करना चाहिए. Even we have to speak in Hindi. Try to watch some Hindi channels. Try to see Hindi news shows. And that's the only thing we can start with. Thank you.
So what do you think about Hindi, our national language? Speaking in Hindi is not a
wrong thing, but it's a good thing.
But why don't people? But people not preferring in that? Why?
As we are in BTech college, we prefer for going US or else we plan to be placed in a TCS or something company, so they won't prefer Hindi or else anything.
Okay.
Actually, they prefer
local languages, international language English కాబట్టి లోకల్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ ఎక్కువ వాడతారు కాబట్టి మ్యాక్సిమం వాళ్ళ లోకల్ లాంగ్వేజ్నే ప్రిఫర్
Okay. Regional language is dominating our national language.
అండ్ ఇప్పుడు చెన్నై ఇంటర్నేషనల్గా నోన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ కాబట్టి ఎక్కువ అది ప్రిఫరెన్స్ ఇస్తున్నారు.
But as we are Indians, we should communicate in Hindi little bit in college or in anywhere. But why it's not happening?
రీజనల్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో కమ్యూనికేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం బట్ మనం వేరే స్టేట్స్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు హిందీ విల్ బి కంపల్సరీ.
Good evening. So we are coming from Photography and Media Club. So today's topic is why people are that much focusing on our English language, not that then an Indian national language, Hindi. So how can you justify that?
Shall I speak in Hindi or
Your wish.
ओके. आजकल की बात ये है कि ज़्यादातर लोगों को कुछ और देश जाना चाहते हैं मगर इंडिया में रहकर कुछ नहीं करना चाहते क्योंकि अगर इंडिया में आप कोई भी जगह को जा सकते हैं और वहाँ हिंदी केवल हिंदी के साथ आप वहाँ लिव कर सकते हैं क्योंकि लाइक वो हमें राष्ट्रभाषा है. मैं लाइक ज़्यादातर लोगों को हिंदी आता है. लाइक अगर हम पंजाब को जाए या तमिलनाडु को जाए और तेलुगु हैदराबाद को आ सकते हैं. आपको तमिलनाडु में थोड़ा हिंदी अगेंस्ट है मगर आप साउथ इंडिया में अगर आए तो हैदराबादी तो ज़्यादातर लोग हिंदी ही बात करते हैं. और हमारे वारंगल में या साउथ लाइक नॉर्थ इंडिया एक्सेट्रा वी कैन टेक वेरी मोर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ. बट नाउअडेज people are interested worldwide, so everyone thinks like they can go to any other place and we can live there, like we can talk English etc. But they don't want to be in India. So if they think that they want to be in India, then the requirement will be Hindi. But nowadays like up to only 10th class mostly everyone will be having a requirement of Hindi. After that, mostly you can choose Sanskrit or German or French, and then in engineering you will be holding English. Like there is no chance.
So as we are BTech students, okay, we are always focusing on only English, but not that much as Hindi.
Yeah.
So to prevent this scenario, what we should do or how we can develop our national language? in mainly in South India, because if you go North India, you only see that the people start speaking only in Hindi. But coming to South India, they are always focusing on English. So why, as we are engineering students, what can the measurements we can take that?
Firstly, anyone should respect his own mother language.
Okay.
And then, as a secondary language, we should be able to like our own like mother tongue of India. Like suppose mother tongue of India can be told as Hindi. So our Rashtra Bhasha, we should more concentrate on Hindi than English. So when we give more priority to Hindi than English, I think it will be a best remedy for that. And with this one single reason, I think we can change the face of Hindi in India. And so like most annoying thing is mostly the North Indian people, they feel like less like they don't know mostly about South India, and everyone will Tamil and Malayali, they will think like that. So when they start giving respect to other language, even South India people will start liking Hindi, and they'll have an interest of speaking in Hindi, and then things can change.
Thank you. How do you feel about our national language?
Our national language, Hindi. While I was in 7th, I have left my Hindi subject because I am from CBSE background. So I had an option of choosing Telugu and Hindi, and of course this Telugu is a regional language, and I have selected Telugu as my subject. And since then I don't have any touch with Hindi language. And frankly speaking, the regional language Telugu is being elevated at homes and all the other public places, but frankly speaking, our national language Hindi isn't being well elevated, and also most of the people or the people who run the institutions are unaware of what actually a national language is. They need to actually put some efforts to bring this into the limelight and make the people know that Hindi is our national language and we need to learn it. Thank you.
We want to know how the students feel that Hindi is as Hindi is our Indian national language. So we are not stretching on that much than English. Why?
The only reason it would be like, the first thing, we feel English as very easier when we talk to everyone, and the next, it's because English right from our first, right from their LKG and everything, they keep teaching A, B, C and all, but they are not teaching and all. And what I say is, even I've seen few schools timetable also, they have added Hindi in their 4th standard, and before that they are teaching only and after that 4th standard, when they come to 6th or anything like that, they just know only how to write mera naam ye hai, mera school ye hai, bas. Other than that, they are not even able to speak. And the other reason it would be, we have to speak Hindi also, because when we go to other places apart from our state or any other state, everyone, the majority of the people will be speaking in Hindi. So if we know Hindi, it is very easy for us to communicate with them, and as well as we'll have a good value when we go and talk to the shopkeepers also. Like, bhaiya ye do, bhaiya wo do. If not, bhaiya, brother, just give me that, give me this. They'll think that, what is she talking? Yeah, and it will be something like that. So I strongly say that right from our first class, at least from our first class, we have to speak, and not only speak, write and learn and everything. LS, RW as it is there, we have to start from now itself. If we put it to our upcoming generation, we will be very good at Hindi. Even many of my friends are not at all good at Hindi. I also suggest everyone to watch Hindi movies, Hindi shows and everything. It develops your communication skills in Hindi also.
How do you feel in Hindi is a national language, but why we are not preferring to speak in Hindi?
Well, మన కెరియర్ మొత్తం ఈ కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయింది. సో ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే మాట్లాడాలి మనం. సో ఐ మీన్ ఇది రీజన్ హిందీ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ తగ్గడానికి. బట్ దాన్ని ఇంప్రూవ్ చేయాలంటే లైక్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఇనిషియేషన్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఆఫ్కోర్స్ లైక్ మన కల్చర్, మన సాంగ్స్ అండ్ అవన్నీ.
Basically we are trending, or we are pretending or something going on only on English, forcing to learn, or our interest is showing mainly on English. But why Hindi as our national language?
Well, in schools, I mean, the total education institutions are all commercialized. They are more emphasizing on getting jobs and other stuff. So, of course, they will force you to speak in English and try to communicate in English. So that's the main reason why the Hindi is downgraded.
Not that much encouraging in our region.
వీడికి చింపేస్తారు.
స్కూల్ వరకు ఉంటే చాలు అని అనుకుంటారు.
But they don't think for higher education Hindi is not that much used.
రైటింగ్ పర్పస్ అయినా స్పీకింగ్ పర్పస్ దానికి ఎక్కువ
Okay.
ఇంగ్లీష్ అయితే గ్రామర్.
So it's not Hindi is to learn. It is a difficult language. So
Hindi is very easy language.
Okay.
Actually, Hindi is very easy language than English. There is a lot to learn in English.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay. Now you are on why Hindi is not that much dominating as English.
People speak much about local language and they speak English, but not. They don't prefer much Hindi because most of them don't know speaking Hindi, and they are not good at speaking in like they don't get it. They have to think about words. They have to search for them, and they should use it. So that is why they don't prefer Hindi much. And see, there are many local dialects. Like someone speaks good, but like Hindi is different. Like Hyderabadi, and here we speak in Telangana, and it's a different. So we don't prefer mostly. That's it. That's the reason.
Hi. Rohan, how did you justify that Hindi is not that much as dominant?
Actually, I want to share it with my experience. Actually, traffic cops caught me near Chaurasta.
Okay.
There I started speaking Hindi as I am an NRI and I don't know Telugu.
Okay.
So they are telling Telugu is your national language. Why are you focusing on Hindi? What? And they wrote a fine for me. So there I learned one thing. So if I want to live in this state,
We have to
we should learn Telugu.
regional language. We have to know regional language.
Yes.
Not our national language.
They are telling us that. For example, I went to other country.
Okay.
There I started speaking in Hindi.
Okay. Again, they are
They are asking who are you, why are you speaking English language, and they started harassing me. So I think according to these experiences, if I speak English in front of a cop, he'll say me as an educated personality. So I can use it in that.
Okay. Now, how do you justify that Hindi is not that much important? Why English is more dominating in our society?
No, it's a kind of universal language since independence. So we are used to it.
Even though English or national language, we have to learn it. We have to know it wherever we go in our country. We have good communication.
Like studies are a bit easier in English than our mother.
We can easily communicate with others people.
So why don't you think that if you take from Delhi to Kanyakumari, total our national language is Hindi. So by knowing Hindi, we can go to any part of our country now. So then we can communicate in Hindi. But we know that. But why people are not showing interest in learn Hindi?
Here the problem is there are so many languages in India. That's the problem. The main reason. If we go to Tamil Nadu, the people don't like to communicate in Hindi. There are so many languages. That's why the language, national language.
Okay, regional languages are dominating Hindi. Means our national language.
Yeah.
So we have to know that national language should be made a big part in our regional language. In everyday life, we have to make it. Okay.
So if we are used to it, then it will be easier for us.
Come on, start.
Many people think that talking English is more clever than talking Hindi. So many people learn first English and later Hindi.
In Hindi there are many languages like Marathi, Bengali and all those. So there will be a slight differences in talking of variations in Hindi. So people in southern India won't prefer to talk in Hindi, so that they prefer English so that they can communicate with all other state people and also all other countries. So preferably all likes to speak in English rather than Hindi, though it is our national language.
Many members will not because it's not our mother tongue in our state.
Okay.
Firstly, the main reason is that, and actually, this state we are habituated to talk in Telugu because as it our mother tongue, everybody will speak in that only, and nobody.
Okay. Telugu is our mother tongue. Every state has its own mother tongue, regional languages. But as part of that, we are also, first of all, we are Indians. So we know what is our national language and how do we speak and how to communicate with our national language to other persons. So to improve it, what we should do, or what are the measures to be taken by any government or any student?
It's only by practice, I think.
Okay, because by daily practice between students, you think that?
Yes, daily practice.
Between students.
Mainly, we should talk with Muslims.
Our friends. Okay, our friends.
Talking,
हमारा भाई बात करने तो.
So we should mainly avoid in Telugu and we should try to talk in Hindi and English. So we can
improve our nation.
Improve and we'll make Telugu from distance.
And we make proud to be
an Indian.
Thank you.
Okay. Why won't we opt to speak in Hindi? Generally, we prefer to speak in English and Telugu. Why?
Because we know that the most English is the most spoken language in India.
Yeah.
So everyone wants to after the graduation, everyone wants to abroad to go to abroad for MS and other courses. So in that sense, what they think that even though Hindi is our national language, that will not be helpful in foreign countries. So मैं क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ कि किसी से भी बात करो हिंदी में बात करो क्योंकि मुझे हिंदी पसंद है
और अभी दूसरा पर्सन जिससे बात कर रहे हो उनको भी समझ में आना ना, लेकिन आजकल जो भी लोग हैं हिंदी बहुत ज़्यादा कम लोग बोलते हैं.
अभी देखो जो भी बॉलीवुड मूवीज आ रहे हैं चाहे वो नॉर्थ इंडियंस हो या फिर साउथ इंडियंस जो भी है सारे देखते हैं इस जनरेशन में. At least all are seeing that Bollywood movies, so they know that how to speak Hindi a little bit, so they can understand Hindi also.
Okay, so what do you say finally? So how can we prevent this, the gap between speaking Hindi and other languages?
Start speaking in Hindi.
That's it. Thank you.
It is a national language, but in our Indian state we can talk in Hindi, but rather than English and Telugu, but people are not using Hindi because they are not able to understand those particular words. In schooling they should stress and they should teach Hindi very well, so Hindi can be learned by everyone from schooling age onwards.
Okay. In BTech means in our BTech also students should be.
Yes, they should learn Hindi because when we go to other stations like other
North India.
yes, like
States.
North India, North states, we have to we can speak very conveniently and we can understand anything easily.
Thank you.
National language is dominating by English.
Because nowadays it is essential language is English, as all over world we are using English as a communication base. So every people are preferring English, but I think Hindi is also must and should, because in our India our country's mother tongue is Hindi, you know that. While communicating with others we generally use regional languages, but we don't prefer Hindi. If we prefer Hindi, it would be easy to convey our thoughts and we will be easy to communicate with them. But nowadays the English is more dominating the other our national language. I think we should stop focusing on other English than Hindi. We have to focus on our Hindi so that we can encourage our language, our Indian language, Hindi.
Actually, when we consider the Indian scenario, it's a combination of all the states where Hindi speaking percentage is up to only 18%. Then after we can consider Telugu about 10% and Tamil 9%. It's not a huge margin now, about 50 or 60% of people are speaking in Hindi. So generally it becomes a option to another person to speak, either to prefer his regional language
or English.
English is a global language, and it gives an opportunity to everyone to settle in his life through English. By Hindi he can't able to adjust in South India because the areas just like Tamil Nadu and
to reduce this such a scenario, as we are Indian students, what the measurements or what the awareness should be taken to the society, or how to we improve this?
Actually, it's not only the duty of engineering students, it's
Okay,
the duty
so
of
society.
government. Because when we consider we are from the state language, we have come finished our 10th from SSC.
Okay.
When we consider AISSE or CBSE, the government has provided only to write 5 subjects, 3 subjects and 2 languages.
Optional.
There is optional to either to choose Hindi or his regional languages. So generally the people will choose their regional languages. So from there itself they are dominating other languages. So government has to provide 6 subjects including Hindi
And the
in
Hindi
10th,
should be
so that student can able to concentrate
On
and he
his-
could able to speak and he could able to improve his communicative skills.
In our national language.
Whereas it happens, it's a human tendency, because when we try to speak a new language, we'll generally utter. So
okay.
people will make people will make some fun of us. So they will, in the initial stage itself, people will stop that practicing and they will straight away skip into the other languages, English
So
or.
we need to improve ourselves first.
First we have to train ourselves.
We have to
We
start
have to
from the
inculcate-
basics. Inculcate
If we
as a
start-
daily
habit.
of speaking our national language, so that we can rectify this.
Instead of saying it as a national language,
Hindi.
we can say it Hindi, because only 18% of the people are speaking in Hindi.
अगर हम बेसिक से स्टार्ट करें तो हिंदी और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं.
Thank you. Okay guys, here we done with another session of Student Ki Awaaz very successfully.
Thanks for the response.